So, but the one thing I do want to say, and Zena definitely knows more about this than I do, is that what we found is that even when dealing with large amounts of data, what you really are interested in is how the smaller set of data, smaller subset of data can be representative and insightful about the larger set. Because ultimately, isn't that really what statistics is about? Right? And I'm not going to pretend like I know statistics. It was taught way too early on Monday morning and I didn't do so well. But in general, I do know that statistics is for representing and defining what large sets of data looks like using smaller sets of data. And that's what we try to do working with our larger data sets. But I mean, I think that's yours.
Template's always like a good start, a good way to approach things. And I think there's a lot of excitement over big data, but I wouldn't knock small data. It's really interesting and useful, and trying to convince everyone in the world to use pandas for Python is great. So if anyone's interested in programming, you should look at pandas. It's really interesting. But there's a funny story. When I was in college, and this sort of relates to small businesses using data, I went into a bar and I was speaking with the owner about how they manage their inventory, and I was shocked. They didn't keep records of the average rate of consumption of gin. They didn't compute the standard deviations. They didn't do year over year, month over month. They didn't do any sort of retail inventory tracking. And I just was so confused, and I asked the owner, I said, well, but how do you know when to buy more alcohol? And the owner just looked at me and said, when we're running blood. So I think sometimes we get so self-obsessed and so excited about all this data, we realize we forget that there are often simple solutions to these things that people who are experts in their domain, in this example, cafe owner, they do have other solutions that work.
All right, so as promised, thank you very much for all of this. As promised, questions. So Robin has the mic.
Hi.
Could you start just stating briefly your name and company?
Sure. My name is Ted Angeles, and I have a consulting company. But, I
just didn't work for me. That's all.
I do have some clients. Sorry? Oh. Sorry. Is that better?
No.